This meeting is being recorded.
In Chapter 4, Problem 25, we're asked to draw both of the chair conformations for compounds A through E. And notice these are all monosubstituted cyclohexanes. So when we place these in the chair conformation, we know that there can be ring flip to obtain the other chair conformation. So we just need to make sure that when we place our first substituent, say in an axial position, like so. Once ring flip occurs, then we're going to have our substituent in an equatorial position, like so. So for structure A, I've drawn my substituent in an axial position pointing up, and then in the second structure, I placed it in an axial position pointed up as well. So they have the same orientation with OH up, and make sure not to draw this OH pointing down like this, for example. All right, so let's take a look at B. Again, we have our substituent in our first structure. We'll put that occupying an axial position. So our NH would be, NH2 rather, would be pointing up like this. And then in the second chair conformation, I'm going to make sure that I have an axial position. And we have the chairs with both the same orientation again, right? So we're going to have our up position here, but equatorial for our second chair. All right, and we'll continue to do the same thing here with our next substituent. So we have our chloro will be in an axial position, and now our chlorine atom will occupy an equatorial position. But again, the drawings will not represent a proper chair flip if they have different orientations. So let's take a look at D now, and this next structure will do the same thing. So we'll have this methyl substituent on our chair, occupying that axial position, and then we'll have the methyl down here occupying an equatorial position. And again, both are in the up positions, and we can't have up change to down. So last but not least, we have a tert butyl group. So in the axial position, it would be pointing straight up like that. And then in our equatorial position after chair flip, it's also going to be pointing up. So we'll draw it like this. So these are the two chair conformations for each structure, A through E. And remember, once ring flip occurs, we go from axial to equatorial, but we retain the same direction pointing up.